Welcome to this week's edition of Women's Health Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. The European Parliament's Public Health Committee is expanding its focus to include an ambitious women's health strategy. Their agenda also covers rare diseases, cancer plan implementation, mental health, neurological health, and antimicrobial resistance. The committee plans hearings and studies on various health topics. In cancer news, Trodelvy, or sacituzumab govitecan, has shown highly significant improvement in progression-free survival for patients with first-line metastatic triple-negative breast cancer who are not candidates for checkpoint inhibitors. This marks Trodelvy's second positive Phase 3 trial in this area, suggesting its potential as a core treatment. The drug's safety profile remained consistent with previous studies. The FDA has accused Mayne Pharma of making misleading claims about the safety of its oral birth control pill, Nextstellis. The agency states that claims suggesting Nextstellis is safer or has less impact on the liver and breast tissue than other estrogens are unproven and potentially deceptive. Nextstellis is contraindicated for patients with a current or historical diagnosis of breast cancer. The World Health Assembly has approved a resolution to restrict the digital marketing of breast milk substitutes, closing a significant loophole. The WHO will provide technical support to member states for implementing new guidance. The resolution also highlighted global challenges in meeting maternal, newborn, and child mortality goals and the rise in preterm birth complications. The FDA has lifted a 19-month clinical hold on GSK and Synexis's drug, camlabicivir, for recurrent vaginal yeast infections. This decision paves the way for the drug to advance to a Phase 3 clinical trial. New guidelines suggest offering non-invasive ultrasound or pelvic MRI as first-line diagnostic options for individuals with endometriosis symptoms. This aims to provide quicker access to treatment by reducing lengthy waits for surgical diagnosis. The guidelines also recommend considering physiotherapy and psychological support for managing associated pelvic pain. A $50 million philanthropic contribution has established the Ainsworth Endometriosis Research Institute, or AIRI, at UNSW Sydney. This marks a world-first initiative aiming to revolutionize endometriosis research, diagnosis, and precision treatments globally. AIRI will adopt a collaborative global approach, bringing together experts worldwide to accelerate scientific breakthroughs. Pfizer has launched an outpatient campaign in the UK to raise awareness among healthcare workers that LGBTIQ+ patients have a higher incidence of cancer. The campaign aims to highlight barriers to care faced by this community and encourage more open communication, seeking to improve healthcare equity and reduce disparities. The FDA has cleared Fujirebio's Lumipulse G-beta amyloid ratio 142/140 blood test for diagnosing Alzheimer's disease. This new test offers a more widely available method to identify amyloid plaques, a key indicator of Alzheimer's. This clearance represents a significant step towards more accessible early diagnosis. Stay ahead in women's health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us